Hi, my name is Mike Henry. I'm the Chief Mechanical Officer for the SFMTA's Fleet Maintenance Unit. I take great pride in the work that I do and the work that my team does to ensure that we put out nothing but clean, safe, reliable vehicles for the riding public. My team is responsible for maintaining the overall appearance and vehicle condition of our public transportation fleet. In addition to that fleet, we also service and maintain over 1,300 non-revenue vehicles and support equipment that our teams utilize. Our work isn't just about turning wrenches and washing buses. We got a bigger mission. Cleanliness just isn't about the appearance. It's about the pride that my team takes. They take pride in the work that they do when these vehicles pull in the evenings, and the public appreciates the work that we do, as shown in recent surveys. We want every passenger to feel confident and comfortable the minute they board one of our vehicles. Safety, it's non-negotiable for fleet maintenance. We work tirelessly around the clock to make sure that our vehicles meet the very highest standards in industry practice. Reliability is the key to bringing ridership back and supporting a San Francisco recovery. Our team measures our overall performance by reviewing the data that we get based on mean distance between service interruptions. One of the challenging parts about working in a large agency is you may not often get the opportunity to understand what other departments do. But today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you what some of the things that fleet maintenance does. So when the next time you ride a Muni bus, just know that there's a whole team behind that operator, ensuring that that operator gets you to where you got to go safely, clean, and reliable every single time. So you take a walk with me as we tour some of our facilities and I introduce you to the rest of my team. Welcome to Fleet Maintenance.
My name is Emmanuel Enriquez. Everybody calls me Manny. I'm the Deputy Director of Fleet Maintenance. We are in charge of maintaining and fixing all of the SFMTA's vehicles. Our job is to keep the fleet running. We maintain them, keep them in good running condition, and we make sure that we're available for service.
Hello, my name is Austin Stinger. I'm the Acting Senior Operations Manager for Bus Maintenance. My role here is to oversee the maintenance staff who provide safe, reliable, and clean buses for the riding public. This is accomplished by having a dedicated staff who are skilled in their respective trades. We can't do this alone, so we partner with labor, HR, facilities, operations, and transit administration, just to name a few. I'd like to showcase though fleet engineering. They've been instrumental in supplying us with a modern fleet, training tools, and have been proponents of getting our parts so we could increase our service reliability over these years.
My name is Ortiz. I'm a City 410 here at Woods. Part of my job duties, what I do here, we pull the coaches from the yard, we sweep them, make sure there's no graffiti, there's no trash inside the coaches. We also fuel, we also check all the fluids.
My name is Alfredo Gonzalez. I'm a 7410 automotive service worker. I've been employed by SFMTA for 25 years. Our primary roles here at SFMTA is we do preventive maintenance and servicing of the coaches and safety inspections.
Good morning from Islayas Creek, the newest of our 6 bus divisions located throughout the city. Hi, I'm Paul McCrory and I'm the Transit Shop Superintendent here. A key element to my role is to manage a dedicated team who oversees the inspections, service and repair of our fleet. Our primary focus is to put quality, reliable and clean coaches into service 7 days a week. So minimizing in-service failures is paramount to our mission here at Islayas Creek. I do want to give a shout out to our fleet engineering team and our maintenance controller group. Thank you and have a great day.
My name is David Ramirez. I've been working at SFMTA for about 2.5 years. I really enjoy my job and I really enjoy keeping these buses safe for the road.
Hi, my name is Alex. I work for SFMTA here in the machine shop. We work on machines like this. This is a lathe, cutting down metal.
My name is Jason So. I'm assistant supervisor over here at the machine shop in Slayers Creek.
I'm Anthony E. Jackson Jr., Acting Transit Car Cleaner Manager, Bus Maintenance. My primary location is Kirkland Division, but I oversee car cleaner operations at 5 divisions total, which is Flynn, Woods, Islayas Creek, and Potrero, ensuring that we provide safe and clean vehicles not only for our operators, but for the public that we serve. We do the dirty work that no one sees but everyone relies on. Our biggest agency supporters is everyone in the fleet maintenance department, from our technicians to our mechanics to mainly the 9102 transit car cleaners and the public whose feedback and trust are essential to our duties.
Hi, my name is Otmar. I'm the Acting Senior Operations Manager for Rail Fleet Maintenance. We manage a fleet of over 30 historic streetcars, 42 cable cars, and a whopping 208 light rail vehicles. We're currently in the process of accepting our last phase of our new Siemens vehicles. Simultaneously, we're also in the process of retiring 42 Breda vehicles. We do this by fully dismantling the vehicles and getting them ready for the recycling. Our preventive maintenance program is the backbone of our operation. This helps us stay compliant and keeps vehicles in revenue service with minimal or no breakdown. It's a complex operation, but our team keeps things running smoothly every day.
Hello, my name is Mark Senores. I am the MME Rail Maintenance Superintendent. What we do here is we actually provide clean, safe, reliable vehicles for the public to use. We do all the major PMs and all the major work on these trains. Who we partner up with is basically our sister division, which is Metro Green. What we do is we coordinate back and forth with the help of course, the storeroom of trains coming back into their yard and our yard.
Hi, my name is Theo. I'm SFMTA Parts Storeroom Keeper. I help the mechanics out to keep you guys safe on the trains, to keep the trains on the road.
My name is Edward Tactile, better known as 9102 Car Cleaner Tac here at the MME. My special interest in this is that my mother, she actually rides the trains every day, and I can honestly tell you, if I got to hear it from her, I'm not doing my job, so I take a lot of pride in what we do.
I'm Sam with Cable Car Division. I run running maintenance on the mid shift. We take care of all the vehicles, make sure they're safe and well and maintained for the public to come to San Francisco and ride the cable car.
Hi, my name's Gino Potter. I'm the superintendent here at Scott Center. Scott Center is the non-revenue division. We oversee the entire non-revenue fleet. We have one simple goal here at Scott Center, and that is to repair vehicles correctly the first time and return them to service as quickly as possible. We always find a way to say yes instead of finding ways to tell you why we can't do something. The non-revenue fleet consists of 659 rubber tire vehicles. We maintain and repair these. We purchase them. We develop specifications for them, and we decommission them.
My name is Adrian. I've been with the city for 2 years now. My title is automotive disc mechanic. I mean, this is the best place that you can work, you know.
My name is Nelson Dune. I work for the SFMTA Muni Potrero Trolley Maintenance. I currently hold the position of 7287 supervising electronic shops, which are the radio shop, video shop, and farebox shop. Here we do the repairs of trolley bus on the electronic side, propulsion, battery systems, power conversion. My biggest supporters were the IT department. Without them, we don't have the computers or the networking capabilities for our video surveillance and our radio system function properly and to support all our vehicles and the city of San Francisco.
Hi, I'm Paul Ruhlhausen. I'm here at Green Machine Shop. I have the pleasure of working with 13 highly skilled maintenance machinists and 2 highly skilled sheet metal workers. Our services consist of manufacturing and fabricating new parts based on prints provided us by engineering, as well as creating and repairing parts based on old worn out parts that are provided to us as samples. Our biggest supporters are materials management, which provides us with the raw materials we need to complete our job and other tools that we can't manufacture ourselves that we need to purchase on the outside.
Good day, I'm Martin Rivera. I'm a machinist here at Green. I've had the privilege to be here 4.5 years. We kind of got this little saying here at Green that we never say no to a job that's given to us. And for that, I am very proud to be part of this group.
Hi, my name is David Powell. I'm a sheet metal fabricator for SF Muni Metro Green Division, and I'm fabricating a handicap ramp, and I love my job.
Hi everybody, my name is Rich Burnell. I'm the body shop supervisor at SFMTA. I've been with the agency for 25 years. I currently oversee a staff of 55 employees and a fleet of 1,200 vehicles, including the cable cars. I have 3 body shop locations, and what we do here is we do everything from changing a door glass to a bumper end to a major collision, upwards of $500,000–600,000. We try to make sure that we provide safe, clean, and reliable vehicles to the public of San Francisco. And when you're riding in our public transportation, we're the ones that make it look clean and pretty going down the street.
Hi, my name is Mike Graham. I work for SFMTA Woods Division. I've been with Muni for over 10 years now. Love my job, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I just love my job, so go Muni.